Do you want to earn $5,000 a day from YouTube? You can also earn $5,000 a day from YouTube by working only 1 hour. All you have to do is sit at your home and make a lo-fi beats and upload it to YouTube. I know you must be thinking that we don't know how to make music, so all this work will be done without you doing anything. AI tools will do it all. Your lo-fi beats will be ready. Step number 1. First of all, check out this channel. This channel only uploads lo-fi beats and its video is just an image and a lo-fi beat behind. I will tell you where to get the music first, then you will need a good image. I will also tell you where to download it for free, and the last step is video editing, which I will also edit the video and show you. This YouTube niche has millions of views and its RPM is also very high. That is, if you find a topic that has millions of views and RPM is also good, then you can imagine how much money you can earn from YouTube. Step number 2. First of all, we generate music with the help of AI. So for this you will come to mubert.com. It is a music generated AI tool. On top of that you get a free plan that lets you create only 2 or 3 tracks, but if you take its paid plan, you can create unlimited lo-fi beats. You have to buy whatever plan you like, but if you agree with me, buy the creator plan, which will cost you $14 monthly, in which you can generate 500 plus tracks and also download. After that you have to create an account on it. After that you have to click on generate track. First you have to write lo-fi in the prompt, then you have to set the duration of the beat. How big you want the music to be. This AI tool will then generate a track for you. So you have downloaded it. Now you have a music track ready for your lo-fi beat. Step number 3. Now if you need an image for your video, then you don't need to worry. I will tell you how to get image for your lo-fi beat for free with the help of AI. People use Midjourney for this, but it is a paid AI tool, so I will give you an alternative called Leonardo.ai. It's a free AI tool that gives you a license with each image so you can use it anywhere. First of all you have to create an account on it, then you have to select a model on it, after that you have to give a good prompt on it, the kind of image you want. When you write the prompt well, this AI tool will generate many images that you like. You have to download them. Now you have music and there is also a background image. Now in step number 4, we will do video editing. For this I will suggest CapCut because it is a simple video editor. So first of all, open it and you have to set the aspect ratio of the video to 16:9. After that you have to upload your music track and image. Now you have to drag and drop your image and track. Now here I give you a tip how you can complete the criteria of its partner program to earn money on YouTube. If you want to earn money on YouTube, YouTube's criteria is that you have to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year. After that you meet the criteria. So let me tell you how to fulfill this criteria quickly so you keep the length of the video long. For this, you have to copy and paste this single track and make a video of more than 30 minutes. It will complete your watch time quickly. Then when your video is ready, you have to export it. Now let me tell you all these steps again. First you have to generate the lo-fi beat. For that you have to go to mubert.com and from there generate the track and download it. After that you need a background image. For that you have to go to Leonardo.ai and download a good image AI tool from there. In the last step you have to edit the video. Now if you don't understand any of these steps then watch the video again, and this way you can create a lo-fi beat with the help of AI tool and upload it to YouTube. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.